Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find when square root and in square root again a square plus 1 and outside the square root is plus 1 is equals to cube root of a. And we have to find the value of a when a belongs to real number. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I am taking cube root of a. So as we know the rule that is n root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So we can write it as a power 1 by 3. So I'm going to replace it under root and in under root a square plus 1 is equals to a power 1 by 3. Now I'm going to squaring both sides. So under root a square plus 1 whole square is equals to a 1 by 3 square. With the help of this square root, this square root will eliminate. So only under root a square plus 1 is equals to, we know the rule of exponent, that is x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write it as a power 2 by 3. Now, again I'm taking this plus 1 to other side. So I'm subtracting minus 1 to both sides. So it becomes under root a square plus 1 minus 1 is equals to a power 2 by 3 minus 1. So under root a square plus 1 is equals to a power 2 by 3 minus 1. Now I'm doing squaring both sides again. So I will do the square of this and square of this as well. So this under root will eliminate with the help of the square. So only a square plus 1 is equals to, here I'm using the identity, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I can write it as a 2 by 3 whole square plus b square minus 2ab. So this plus 1 and this 1 square is eliminated. So a square is equals to a. So according to the rule of exponent, x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So I can write it as a power 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 a power 2 by 3. Now I'm taking this a square of left hand side. So if I multiply, I'm using this rule, so I can write it as, if I multiply and I have to divide it also, cube, so 2 by 3. So I can write it as a power 2 by 3 cube as well. So I'm going to replace this. So a power 2 by 3 cube is equals to a power 2 by 3 square minus 2 a power 2 by 3. So now in all the terms, we can see that a power 2 by 3 is common. So I am going to substitute it with a variable. So substitute a power 2 by 3 as y. So I can write it the equation as a power 2 by 3 as y. So y cube is equals to y square minus 2y. So I'm taking all the terms to one side. So y cube minus y square plus 2y is equals to 0. If I'll take y common, so y square minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots. Either y is equals to 0 or y square minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So as we know that we substitute y is equals to a power 2 by 3. So we can write a power 2 by 3 is equals to 0. That means a is 0 in this case. Now comes to this side, this looks like a quadratic equation. So we can multiply b square minus 4ac equals 0. So the value of a is 1. The value of b is coefficient of y, that is minus 1. And the value of c is 2. So minus 1 square minus 4 times of 1 times 2. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 1 minus 8 is minus 7, which is less than 0. So that means no real solution. So as we discussed in the beginning that a belongs to real number, so we'll reject this value. So we have one value of a, that is 0. So this is our final answer. I hope it's clear and easy to understand. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.